Hello everyone. Today we will learn and write 10 lines essay on Quaid-e-Azam. So let's start. Number first point is Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the founder of Pakistan. Number second point is he was born on 25th December 1876 in Karachi. His father Punja Jinnah was a great merchant. He passed his matriculation from Bombay. He went to England for higher studies in law. He joined Muslim League in 1913. He fought for the rights of Muslims and was called Quaid-e-Azam. On 14th August 1947, his endless efforts make Pakistan. Number 9 point is he became the first Governor General of Pakistan. He died on 14th September 1948. Thanks for watching.